greatest name of Almighty Allah and His beloved Prophet, who is most merciful and beneficial. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nadia Ali Jan and I am from class 7th B. Today the topic of my speech is respect of parents. It is a great honor for me to say a few words on a topic that has a great importance in our life as well as in our religion Islam. Respected audience, respect is a universal act of displaying admiration and love for another person. All elders need to be respected, but our parent respect is one of the most important duties. Here a question arises that why we should respect our parents. So the answer is very simple and clear. We should respect our parents because they are the source of our existence in this world. They not only gave birth to us, but also took care for us. When we are young, we just only cry. Then the parents are the one who understand that what we are saying. Parents even love before their children. They take care of our needs. When their children become old and have their own children and grandchildren, so the parents are the one who love their children. Respected sir, Islam, our religion, has also taught us to be respectful and dutiful to our parents. Allah Almighty says in Surah Luqman that, and we have enjoined on man being dutiful and good to his parents. His mother bore him in weakness and hardship. Respect is one of the most substantial traits of Islam. Allah Almighty says in Quran that, your Lord has decreed that you worship none but Him, and to be kind to parents, whether me or both of them, at late old age of your life. Say not to them a word of contempt, nor repel them, but address them in the terms of honor. Respected audience, our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has also taught us to be respectful to our parents. In the hour of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a man requested that authorization on a military endeavor. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired that he had a mother. When he answered indeed, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stated, remain with her since paradise lies underneath her feet. From above saying, the significance of mother is clear. The significance of mother is not less than father's significance. Father is a bread provider. He taught to understand that the father has served us so much that we cannot wholly repay them. This means that we should not make our father an injury